Hi, happy snow day. There's Luna and me. We're out on a walk. I hope you've enjoyed the snow, haven't gotten too annoyed by it. I hope your home has stayed nice and warm. What a great start to 2025. We need winter, and it reminds us why we love spring. If you need any contractors to help with roofs or ice damming or any flooding problems, which I hope you haven't had, or I hope you have a warm furnace, reach out. I have tons of contractors that can help you and get there right away. So enjoy this time, stay warm, watch out for some more snow, drive safely, and look forward to seeing you when it's a lot warmer. Bye.